So, hello students. Today we are going to learn here universal set. Okay. So, what is the universal set now here? So, universal set is what here? Basic sets of all the given sets. Means suppose there are 3-4 sets. Okay. So, combinedly all these 3-4 sets will come in one set. All these 3-4 sets will come in one set, and that set is called what here? Universal set. In short, universal set is the biggest set among all the sets. Okay, universal set is what here? Biggest sets among all the sets. Okay, and universal set is always given by what here? U, divided by what here? U. Okay, so see here definition is what here? Universal set is what here? The basic set of all the given sets is called what here? Universal set. Okay, and universal set is what here? Is denoted by always a capital letter U. Capital U is what here? Notation for the universal set. Okay, now let's see here some examples from this universal set. Okay, so first one is what? If A is what? A is having 1, 2, 3, and B is having what? 2, 4, 6, and C is having what? 5, 7, 9. Then what is its universal set? Basic set. So basic is what? U is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means all these elements are here. All these elements are here, and all these elements are here. So it is having all the elements from the given sets. So that's why this is what your basic set of all these sets. Okay, so all the elements are present in this set. So therefore this set is called what here? Universal set. Okay, all the elements of given sets are present in one set. It is called what here? Universal set. Let's see one more example, simple example. Okay, so first is what here? A is what here? A E I O U. It is having A E I O U, and B is having what? B C D F G H. Okay, B C D F G H. So set A is this, set B is this. Okay, now universal is what here? Universal is what here? A B C D E F G till what here? Last Z. Means all the 26 letters will come in this what here? Universal set. Means U is having all the alphabets of English alphabets. Okay, A to Z all are there. Okay, and these all alphabets are here, and these all alphabets are here. So that's why this set is called what here? Basic set of given sets. Okay, so therefore U is called what here? Universal set. Got now here? So see here, always set be denoted by a capital letter B. So I forgot to write here capital B. So capital B. Okay, capital A is here, capital B is here. Okay, so B is set here, A is set here, and U is what here? Universal set. Got now here? The basic set of all the given sets is called what here? Universal set. Okay. Okay, students, now let's learn here. The next point is what? Next point is here operations on sets. Operation means what? If the sets are given, what we can do by taking these sets. Okay, so first operation is called what here? Union of set. So what is called union of set here? So sets they will give. So suppose set is A is given, suppose set B is given. Okay, so all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B we write in a one set. Combinedly we write here in a one set. Okay, that is called what here? Union of sets. Okay, so writing all the elements in one set, it is called what here? Union of set. Okay, for example, just see here. If A is a set here, A is set what here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and B is set here what? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is what here? 2, 4, 6, 8. Then what should do here? Then union. Union means what? All these elements and all these elements we write in a one set. Okay, we write in the one set. That is called what here? Union of a set. So set A is here, set B is here. So A union B. It is called symbol of what here? Union. Just like the inverse only, but symbol is what here? Union. U. Okay. A union B is what now here? Elements from this word 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 1, 2, 3, 4. And element of this word 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 and 4 are here already present. Okay, don't write again here. Repeat, don't repeat the numbers. 2, 4 is here. Again, don't write 2, 4. 6 and 8 is here. So 6 and 8. Okay, so all the elements of this set are here, and all the elements of this set are in this set. Okay, so all the elements are here, and all the elements of this set B are also here. So we combine the elements of this and elements of this in one set. Okay, writing all the elements in a one set. Okay, that is called what here? Union of a set. Okay, so writing all the elements from the given set in one set is called what here? Union of a set. Now next comes what here? If the union of set is given, how to draw their Venn diagram? Venn diagram. So see here how to draw Venn diagram. So Venn diagram is here what? Okay, first draw a rectangle. First draw a rectangle and make here two circles. If there are two sets, then I have to draw here two circles. If there are three sets, draw there three circles. Okay, so now see here there are two sets. So draw here one circle for set A and draw here one more circle like this. Okay, in set B. So union is what? All the elements of A, all the elements of B. Means all the part of A and all the part of B you draw by line. Okay, union is what? All the part of A, all the part of B. Okay, you draw only part of A and part of B you draw. Okay, this graph is called what here? A union B. Now, how to write the elements? So, what is the place here? No, in between here. This is the place for set A also, and this is the place for set B also. So, this is the common places here. In the common place, write the common numbers. So, 2 and 4 is here, 2 and 4 is here. So, write the common number in the common place, because this is the place for A also, this is the place for B also. This is the common place for A and B. So write their common numbers. Okay. Now leaving this 2 and 4. Okay. 1 and 3 is there. So write here in the A. 1 and 3 in the A. So leaving 2 and 4. What remains here? 6 and 8 remains here. So write here 6 and 8. Okay. In a set B. Okay. So 1 and 3 in a set A and 6 and 8 in the set B, and 2, 4 are what here? Common. So write in the common place and draw all this part. Draw means draw your lines in the part A also, part B also. Means all the part of A, all the part of B will come in the what here? Union. Okay, and this diagram is called what here? A union B. Okay, and this is called what here? Venn diagram. U is called what here? Universal set, not union. Universal means all the full set is universal set. Okay, in this set A is there, in this set B is there. Okay, and A union B means all the part of A, all the part of B. This is called what here? Venn. In short, okay, so union means what? Combining all the elements from the given set in one set. It is called what here? Union of a set. Okay, and how to draw a Venn diagram? All the part of A and all the part of B. You draw here by lines. Okay, and write the elements in them. Okay. Now let's see the one more example of union. When the three sets are given, how to do their union? Okay. So first of all, see here set A is given 1, 3, 5, 9. Okay, and set B is given what here? 2, 3, 6, 8. Set B is given what here? 2, 3, 6, 8. And set C is given what here? 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So as I told you, union is what here? Combining all the elements from the given sets in one set. So combining is what? Writing all the elements in a one set. Okay. So A union B union C means what I am doing here? Union of all the three sets means A union B union C. Okay. Now what is called A union B C means writing all these elements in one set. It is called what here? Union. Now write all the elements of this set. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 9. So write here in this set 1, 3, 5, 9. Write all the elements of this also in the one set. Okay. These elements also write in this set. Okay. 2, 3, 6 set. Okay. 2 I wrote here. 3 is already here. Okay. Don't write 3 here. 6 and 8 here. 6 and 8. Because 3 I already wrote here. So don't again write here 3. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 9. 1, 3, 5, 9 I wrote here. then 2 comes here, 3 is already here, 6 comes here and 8 will come here. Okay. Now next is what? 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 1 I wrote here, 3 I wrote here. Okay. 1 I wrote here, 3 I wrote here. Okay. And 4 and 5 left. So I write here 4 and 5. Okay. 4 and what here? 5. Yes. Okay. Now see here. All the elements of these are present in this. Okay. Means what? The element of A will come is here. Elements of B are here. And elements of C are here. Okay. So combining all the elements in this one set is called what here? Union of a set. Now if you see that it is like 1, 3, 5, 9, 2, 6, 8, 4, 5. This is not in order. So you can write in order also. Order means what? From smaller to the greater numbers. Okay. So increasing order is called. Okay. So first write 1, then write 2, then write 3, then write 4 is here, then write 5, then write 6. 7 is not here, so don't write 7. Okay. 8 is there, 8. 9 is here, 9. So I wrote this all these numbers in a order. Okay. So again it's called here A union B and C order wise. Okay. So you can write like this or you can write in the order also. Okay. So it is called what here? A union B union means writing all the elements of A, B, C in one set. It is called what? Union of a set. Okay. Now let's see how to draw the Venn diagram for this union of sets. 3 sets. Okay. Now see, A is a set here, B is a set here, and C is a set here. Okay. Draw a circle for A, draw a circle for B, and draw a circle for C. Now this is a place for common number. Okay. So what is the common number in all? 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. So this is a place for all this. This is a place for A also. This is a place for B also. This is a place for C also. So write here common number 3. Okay. Now between A and B, what is the common? This is a place for between A and B. This is a place for A and B common. But here between A and B only 3 is common that I wrote here. So here nothing will come. Okay. So what is the common between B and C? Between B and C only 3 is common there. So I wrote here combinedly. Okay. So here nothing will come in this place. No number. This is the place for what? Only for B and C. See that B is here and C is here. This is the place for only for B and C. So there is no common between B and C. Okay. Combinedly 3 is there. Okay. Now A and C. A and C. 1 is there common. 3 is a common there. And 5 is also common. Okay. So 3 I already wrote here. Now this is the place for A also and B also. This is the place. This is place for all the sets. Common. All the 3 sets common will come here. This is the common for A and C. Okay. So 1 is also common here between A and C, and 5 is also common there between A and C. So 1 and 5 will come here. Okay. Now in this set A, 3 is here, 5 is here, 1 is here. So 3 over, 5 is also over, 1 is over. What left? 9. Only 9 will come in a A. Okay. Now in a B, 3 goes. 3 is combined I wrote here. So leaving 3, 2, 6, 8 R comes in a B. Okay. Now in a C, see that, okay, 1, 3, 5 I already wrote here. 1, 3, 5 I already wrote here. Only what number left? 4 number. So write in this. Okay. So draw all the part of A, all the part of B, and all the part of C. Okay. This drawing is called what here? Union of A, B, and C. And this graph is called what here? Venn diagram. Okay. So in short, what I told here, union means what? Writing all the elements from the given sets in one set. It is called what here? Union of sets. Okay. Thank you.